Okay, we have two objects, equal mass, call them A and B. This approach with velocity u, this is stationary. Afterwards, we're assuming they're going to go bouncing off because this is going that way and it's 0. So they're going to head off in this direction. Okay, so the particle, the coefficient of restitution is E, and we're interested in the kinetic energy. So therefore, for the kinetic energy, we're going to have to find A and B. Alright, because otherwise we can't find the kinetic energy at the end. These all start exactly the same. Conservation linear momentum. So before we've got mu, and after we've got ma plus mb. So that tells me that u equals a plus b. Equation 1. We do the impact law. Speed of separation, which is b minus a, equals e times the speed of approach, which is u. So we get eu equals b minus a. Okay. Now I want to find what a and b are, so I'm going to add them to get a. No, add them to get b, sorry. So 1 add 2 gives me u times e plus 1 equals 2b. So now we've got b, and if I do 1 take away 2, I get u times 1 minus e equals 2a. So now I've got b equals, let's get them in the same format, u times 1 plus e over 2, and a okay, so I've got a and b in terms of u, and I'm told that it loses 42% of its kinetic energy. So we've got kinetic energy at the beginning times by 58, 0.58, because it's lost 42%, equals kinetic energy at the end. 1 plus e over 2 squared. Okay, now we've got a u squared throughout, so I can get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. This is a 4, so I can times it all by 4. This becomes sorry, half of 0.58 is 0.29. Double it is 1.16. Okay, so times it by 4, I get 1.16, I believe. And this squared is 1 plus e squared plus 2e plus 1 minus 2e plus e squared. Sorry, I've missed out the half m here, haven't I? Half m velocity squared, half m. Okay, so the half m cancels. Now I times by 4, I can get that. I get 2.32. Okay, now take off the 2 ones, so I get 0.32 equals 2e squared. These will cancel. So e squared is 0.16. So e is 0.4. Okay. If e was 0, what would happen? So if e equals 0, that would give us a equals u over 2, and b would also equal u over 2. So both would move in the same direction at the same speed.